Hello everyone and welcome back to the introduction of our Voreen use cases. This time we will present use case B, a subject-specific simulation based on medical image data. We begin by demonstrating how to obtain segmentations with Voreen. Open the Voreen application and under Template Workspaces, select Load Workspaces from File, then navigate to Modules, Flow Simulation, Workspaces, choose Use Case B segmentation and click Open. This workspace already contains sample data. For the demonstration, we will clear out everything and work from scratch. In the input panel, volumetric data can be selected using the Load Volumes function. We go into Voreen, Flow Simulation, Data, Demo, Measurements, and select all files. The data setting panel allows for correction of the data format and enables aggregation. Since segmentations perform best with high contrast images, a single time step may not be sufficient to obtain the desired vessel lumen segmentation. Depending on the imaging modality, parts of the lumen may only appear bright in a specific time frame, while other regions appear in different time steps. Therefore, Voreen allows to aggregate along the temporal axis, for example using maximum, mean voxel value, or summation. For us, the maximum aggregation will be the way to go. The 2D rendering panel allows for adjustment of the transfer function. We can, for example, increase the lightning. The random walker panel is linked to the views on the left. Background and foreground labels can be provided interactively by drawing on the orthogonal slice views. The result is displayed in the upper left view. We will now try to find a good segmentation of the pulmonary arteria by interactively selecting regions. Selecting, for example, this object here and excluding these parts, also these here and these parts, and so on. It delivers a segmentation of the pulmonary arteria as seen in the upper left view. After we created the segmentation, in the output panel, paths and file formats for saving the segmentation can be selected. After saving the segmentation file, we switch to the Use Case B simulation workspace by pressing Ctrl O and selecting the corresponding workspace. In the input segmentation and input measurement panels, we can load both the segmentation file created in the segmentation workspace and the measurements file used there. In this example, they are already included in the workspace. As shown in the video of use case A, we now again have the inlet-outlet panel, the simulation setup panel, the run simulation panel, and the results panel. Here we can adjust boundary conditions, define parameter intervals, choose the simulation implementation, and include a simulation for processing. Finally, we can load one of the result PVD files from a simulation and visualize the outcome in the same three views as before. The streamlines are in the top view, the velocity values and the geometry tab in the bottom left, and the cross-section visualization in the bottom right.